Hi, my name is Georg Somay, and today I'm showing you experiment that proves Archimedes' principle. In this is my setup. I have a plastic bottle with the top cut off and a hole in the middle. I'm placing it inside the empty bowl. Now I'll fill a bottle with the water up to the very top. It's about 300 milligrams of water. As you can see, the bottle is full of water, and the bowl underneath is still empty. Now the subject is about 120 grams. When I drop it inside the bottle, it will push water out through the hole. Watch as I drop it in, the water is flowing out of the bottle and into the bowl. That's called displacement. The object takes up space, so the water has to go somewhere. Now let's carefully remove the bottle. Let's measure how much water was pushed out. I'll pour it in a measuring cup. As you can see, it's about 120 milliliters of water.
According to Archimedes' principle, the object experiences an upward force called the buoyant force equal to the weight of the water it pushed out. This is the formula for calculating Archimedes' force. Now let's compare the predicted outcome to what I actually measured. I predicted that the buoyant force would equal the weight of the object, so I calculated the weight using mass equals 123 grams equals 0.123 kilograms, gravity equals 9.8 meters per second squared. Weight equals 0.123 times 9.8 equals 1.2054. Newton's weight equals 0.123 times 9.8 equals 1.2054 newtons. That's the force I expected the water to push back with. Now, here's what I got from the experiment. I measured that the object displaced 120 milliliters of water, which is 0.0001 cubic meters, equals 1000 times 0.0012 times 9.8 equals 1.176 newtons. FB equals 1000 times 0.001 times 9.8 equals 1.176 newtons, so the actual buoyant force was 1.176 newtons. That's very close to the predicted 1.205 for newtons. This small difference is normal and could be caused by small errors like water sticking to the object or small splashes, but overall, this shows that Archimedes' principle works. The water pushes upward with a force equal to the weight of the water displaced. That's almost exactly the same as the buoyant force we calculated. So, the experiment worked. Thanks for watching. That's how you prove Archimedes' principle with just a bottle, a bowl, and water.